Hey everybody, and welcome to your first tip video. In previous lessons, we learned two-step, two different directions, and bounce up. Here, I would like to show you how even with these two moves, you can open new doors for your dance journey. Be free to try it with me. We start with directions first. In class we covered side-side, front, back. But there are more. There are diagonals. There are different shapes, for example. If you think of a square on the floor, you can follow this pathway. So you create a new way to do a two-step. The same applies to any shape. Triangle, for example. Or diamond. Boom, 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 boom. Or circle. Boom, 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 boom. It's not only about the directions and shapes, but also how you do it. Instead of always going straight forward, you can always do body turns. Create different angles in your body positions. What else? You also can change the way you move. You can move in a bigger size, really do them steps big, or small, creating a contrast. Small and big, small and big, small and big. You can also play with the speed. Slow and fast. Slow and fast. Same steps, just adding new layer to it. Another way. Texture. You can be sharp and more clear with your move, or you can be soft and really relaxed, or even wavy. Layers. What if we also add pause in between? So we do two-step and then we just stop and start to do bounce up. And again, two-step and stay on the spot and continue grooving the body. It's like being in the party. Imagine you're on the dance floor, you move around, and then you see your friend. You come to your friend, you continue talking to your friend because you don't want to drop the feeling. And suddenly you need to go somewhere. Aha! Bye-bye, my friend. I'm going to bathroom. So just keep the feeling going on. Relax and go again. Relax and stay. Play with your body moves and grooves. And two-step again. So create poses in between. Especially when standing still, you can add them body parts, which we will do a lot in our drill videos. We will work with different body parts, but feel free to have this idea in your mind. You can leave them in your bounce up or add to two-step. And my final advice to you, bring your own personality to the dance moves. Even a simple two-step can be transformed a lot if you embrace yourself through it. If you're really happy, just show it. If you feel a bit more reversed or introvertish, just do you. If you feel more seductive, just bring this to the step. Today you might feel this, tomorrow something else. Just embrace yourself through the dance. So let's recap everything. Directions, body positions, size, speed, texture, pause in between, character. These are the ways to practice. I hope these advices were helpful and spark new ideas into your dance. For example, when you finish your practice, follow along and drill session, feel free to experiment with it. Play your favorite music, one thing at a time. Slowly, you will see how it comes all together and transforms your dance.